Hello to all our audience on Facebook and to all our future and current investors with Campos Capital Group. I'm Maddie Valverde. I'm here with Ken Board. How you doing today, Ken?
Hello, Maddie. Very excited to be here and talk about the details of our 100% financing program that we have here at Campos Capital Group.
That's right, Ken. We've got a lot of questions about this program and we want to answer all your questions.
Yes, Maddie, this program is going to benefit a lot of people, especially that the market is changing.
Okay, so in simple terms, how does this 100% financing work?
Okay, so this program covers 100% of the purchase and 100% of the rehab and a maximum 70% LTV loan to value ratio. Let me give you an example of this, okay? So if a property costs 100K and you need 50K for rehab, the ARV, the after repair value, is 215. Then the property will qualify for 100% finance. It's 70% of the 215 is 150K. As long as 70% of the value after repairs covers this purchase, the property's price and cost of renovations, then the property qualifies for 100%.
Okay, perfect. That's why it's very important to calculate the after repair value because that depends on whether the property qualifies or not. And now, Ken, what about the interest rates?
Maddie, this program starts with a very competitive rate of 9.99%. And why is that a big deal? Is because in today's market with short-term loans, you're usually over 10% with a down payment. We're talking no down payment. So yes, this is a very good rate for this program.
Okay, Ken. So what are the requirements to qualify for this loan?
So the ideal candidate for us is someone that has a FICO score starting at 620 and higher, who shows cash flow in their bank accounts and has enough balance in their accounts to cover 6 months interest reserves for their mortgage payment.
Okay, yes, understandable, since the bank bears all the risk of financing the deal 100%. And is there a minimum or limit on the loan amount, and for how long is this loan?
Great question. The minimum loan amount is 100K up to maximum $2 million. The terms for this loan are 4 months, 8 months, and 12 months. Just to kind of get into the programs, we do single family home residence, multifamily homes with 4 units or less, and mixed use properties.
Wow, very interesting, Ken. And how long does it typically take to close this type of loan?
Good question, Maddie. Internally, it takes 3 weeks to process a loan, but that depends on us getting all the documents. What I always recommend to our clients is, even before they find a property, to get us all the documents so we can gather all the documents and have everything ready so when they do find a property, the process will be a lot quicker and smoother.
Wow, Ken, that's an amazing turnaround time. So what can you tell the investors that are concerned about the interest rates right now?
Remember, your lender is a key person in your real estate business. You want to be able to leverage. Instead of having 3 flips in a year, you can have 9 flips in a year. Sometimes people focus way too much on the interest and say, why should I spend? I can use my own cash. But in the long run, investors are losing because the time you waited to recover your profit is so long. So would you rather make $60,000 a year or $120,000 in a year and pay interest?
That makes a lot of sense. It's very important to use loans to leverage yourself to get to your financial goals faster.
That's right, Maddie. And here at Campos Capital Group, we help our investors through the whole process. And what sets us apart from our competition is the fact that we kind of can cater to our clients and we kind of can go in 3 different directions, okay? So we have our in-house money, okay? And then we also can work with 48 banks throughout the whole country nationwide, and we have private money that we can tap into. So that's really what makes us unique. A lot of different alternatives to our clients, and we really don't have any limits. And we also specialize in educating our clients and making sure they make the right decisions. Here at Campos Capital Group, since we're all investors ourselves, we really know and can help our clients and hold their hand step by step through the whole process right to closing.
That is very true, Ken. Our goal is always to offer the best service. We understand if our client wins, we also win.
It is so. If you have any other questions or have questions about any of our other programs, don't hesitate to call. Thank you, Maddie, so much for having me.
Thank you so much again, Ken, for answering all these questions. And thank you to everybody for joining in on this video. We hope you enjoyed, and please give us a call. Ask for Ken or anybody at this office.